welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the paper, you want to align it up perfectly, just like this, perfectly on, just like that. Boom. Then what you want to do is you want to take this side of the paper and put it right in you, just like that. Boom. Then you want to take the other piece and do the exact same thing. Perfect. If it looks like this, you're doing a great job. Alright. Now, this is how to make a normal one. Then you can just flip it over, and then you want to boom, and then do the same to the other one. However, I'm going to teach you how to make an even better one. But if you just want to make normal, that's fine. You can just flip it over, and what you want to do is you want to go like boom, and then just like that. And then, yeah, you got yourself a normal airplane. But I'm going to teach you how to do a bit more. So, you want to take this, you want to just like that. Just like that. Then, alright. Where it gets tricky, because you want to have this corner and then this corner are lined just right. I'm gonna say that's good enough. It's not the best, but it's pretty good, I gotta say. Not too shabby. Alright. Just like that. Then you want to fold it over. I'm gonna make it boom. Crease. Now, as you can see, this goes a bit longer than that one, and that's not very good, but, you know, it's fine. I'm sorry about the stuff in the background. Just ignore it. Alright, then I'm gonna pull it back just about here. That seems just about good enough. Then, boom. Just fold the crease. Boom. Then, alright. Perfect. Just like that. But you know, this could be even better. But first, I'm going to show you how it flies. Alright, behold, the messiest room on earth. Okay, took care of it. Alright, here we go. Let's see how this flies. Okay, my room might not be the longest, but you know, it is pretty good, and I have a hallway, and once I make one final adjustment, I will do it in the hallway, and trust me, it's going to be cool. Alright, so, now that we saw how that flew, now, let's put some finishing touches. Now, what you want to do is you want to take this end part, you want to take it, and boom, just about there. Doesn't it really matter where you put it exactly? But yeah, trust me, this will matter. It will do quite a bit better. Alright, there is this paper plane. This paper airplane. should be looking just like this. If it does, make sure to leave a like and please, please subscribe. It would really help me out. Thank you. Now, let's go test this out in my hallway. Alright, again, I'm sorry for the noise in the background. I am seriously really sorry. But yeah, let's see how far this goes. Boom. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And that crashed bad, but bye guys.